How to cancel Spotify premium plan. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can cancel your Spotify premium plan. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser and head over to your Spotify. So you can directly go to open.spotify.com, which should lead you to your Spotify. Now make sure you're logged in into your account as well. After you've logged in into your account, tap on your profile icon that you will see on the top right corner. This is the one right here. Tap on your profile icon, and from there you'll find your multiple options. What you'll need to do is tap on this account option, which will redirect you to another website. So tap on account, and after you do that, there you can see it has redirected me to another page. Now what you'll need to do is scroll down and you will see the subscription section, where you will see an option to cancel your subscription. Tap on cancel subscription and then follow the prompts. After you follow the prompts, your subscription will get cancelled. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.